Hey guys, so Brett's Property Rant. So today what I want to talk about was why I think Brexit actually is going to be a non-event when it actually happens, however it happens, whether it's a no deal or deal. And the reason is this, is because if you have a look what's happened over the last 2 years, what you will have seen is the market has been suppressed with all sorts of things. Regulation, stamp duty changes, into extra taxes for international investors, taxes for for second homes. All these things, what they've done is rather than having a market where you normally go up and then you come down when the market hits the bottom, which to be fair, I think will be next year in 2020 for the US and other countries, obviously, potentially China, things like that. What's happened in the UK and what I think is going to happen and what you'll notice happening is because the UK market's been subdued due to Brexit, stamp duty, all those sort of things, what we're going to see is actually our prices are likely not to drop that much, if at all. What you may actually see, which is what I think may happen, it's been so subdued, everywhere else be crap, people will go flight to safety and places like London will go bang, yeah? So it's going to be an interesting one because, if you think what happened in the GFC, prices in London dropped and then come straight back up. So for me now, this year, and yes, it's a bit of a gamble. Yes, it could be really, 3, 4, 5 years of pain trying to get a deal, various deals done with countries. If we go to the World Health, not the World Health, I've forgotten the name of the bloody people that do the trade deals. Anyway, but look, the bottom line is, I think you're going to notice because we've been putting all these dampeners on, that means we've been going sort of like this, slowly. We're not going to necessarily drop off the face of the earth. If anything, we'll go a bit like this, and then it'll come back. So I think from that perspective, right now it might seem like a lot of pain, but I think it's short-term pain, even though it's 2 years, potentially another 3 years, another year, so 3 years. Actually what will happen is we'll bounce back, and we'll bounce back stronger than ever, and that's when, if you've stuck in there and ridden that wave, the regulation will be through and sorted, estate agents will be sorted, all these sort of things that have been hitting the market will actually now just really show you that property investment is a fantastic thing and, it's worthwhile investing in. And the problem is most people won't have got in, so then they'll come flooding back to the market, the people that are in there, the ones that will actually really benefit from that. Anyway, that's my prediction. I think that's going to happen 2020, 2021. I think we'll really sort of be sitting there going, wow, I'm so glad I stayed in, I stuck through, I focused down. I do think interest rates potentially can go up. So, allow for that. Don't expect them to stay as low as they are. Anyway, guys, have a great day. Live with passion. I'll see you soon.